In this lesson, we'll finish our work on the knee controls. To finish up, what we'll do is create splines that connect from our controls to the shins. And these will be used to keep track of our knee controls. So animators will certainly appreciate this. Let's go ahead and get to work. What we'll do is go ahead and grab our line tool. From there, let's go ahead and check our snap settings. We'll make sure to turn off grid point snapping and turn on pivot snapping. Nice, so from there we can go ahead and turn on our snapping tool. Feel free to go ahead and hide the model, by the way, so it doesn't interfere. And we'll click from our control to the shin bone. Now let's go ahead and right click to exit our line tool. We don't need thickness on this spline. Let's say we head over to our modify panel, and underneath the rendering rollout, we'll turn off enable in viewport. Sweet. What I'd like to do from here is just go in and reset the X form on this object, and then we'll go ahead and collapse it down. Great. We'll then rename it. That's going to be spline CNT for connect underscore L knee. Nice. We could also make sure it gets added to the hidden layer. Alright, great. And then from there, feel free to freeze its transforms. We won't be linking this to our global node because we're actually going to skin the spline. So let's say we head over to our modify panel and we'll add the skin modifier. There it is. Alright, sweet. So we're skinning this to the control and to the shin. Let's go ahead and find our bones list. We'll go ahead and click add. We'll search for anim L knee. Let's go ahead and control click to expand the global node. There it is. I'll go ahead and choose select. So that's one. Now let's go ahead and search for our shin bone. If you need to, again, just go ahead and select the object and copy its name. And now we can go back to our spline. We can go ahead and click on add. Let's paste the name of the object. And now we can go ahead and click select. And there it is. So when we grab the control, we should notice that our spline will follow. Let's go ahead and turn off snapping. It's kind of getting in the way. And there we have it. So you can see the spline will now follow. How neat. And then from there, we can go ahead and head over to the hidden layer. Let's go ahead and do that from the Tools menu. So that's Tools, Manage Layers. I'd like to go ahead and just freeze the spline. That way it's not getting in the way. I just docked the Layer Manager. And then from there, again, underneath the hidden layer, we'll go ahead and search for the spline. It should be easy to find because it's selected. There it is. So from there, we can go ahead and turn on our freeze mode. Wonderful. So now it's not selectable, but we can still see it, so we know how to use this to track down our control. How cool. All right, great. So at this point, I might just go ahead and undock the layer browser. Just go ahead and close that out. Perfect. And that's basically it. Let's go ahead and do the same thing for the right side. I'll do that in between lessons. But again, we've done this just to make it more helpful for animators. So as they start to do some really crazy animations and they're trying to find their knee control, which is usually underneath the floor, well, all they need to do now is go ahead and track the spline, and they'll be able to easily find that control object.